that product I built for that client, I could have charged them easily $1,000 for 30 minutes of work. Easily.
Probably a lot more than that. I 1000% believe my life started changing when I started attending events and when I started to see other people that were doing the things that I wanted to do and me starting to mimic or learn from those individuals. That motto has significantly accelerated my growth to a whole nother level. All right, and welcome back, everybody. Listen, we wanted to jump on and just let you know that AI Unleashed is still rocking and rolling. We are starting to fill up. We're running out of tickets. This is not a sales ploy. This is not anything. This is just the truth. As mentioned before, if you hadn't watched this before, this is a 3-day all-inclusive event in Cancun, Mexico, with some of the most incredible, brilliant minds, where it's not only an event, but it's going to be an event, again, where you're going to be working with us personally, meaning we are going to take time out. We're going to spend one-on-one time with you guys. It's a group session with 100-something odd people, but you are going to have access to a lot of very talented coaches. And Fer will kind of pick you guys up and like tell you where we are, because we've recruited even more people. But I will tell you that we are going to be at capacity soon, because this was the first event. We were only able to get 100 spots, and the 100 spots are very close to being filled out. So this is kind of like my warning to you all. This is going to be the first time ever event where it's going to be an interactive event where you're going to be basically working with us one-on-one, and we'll go into the details of exactly where and how. But the important thing is that I want to really relay out here is not only do we add to the roster, not only do we have the events even more planned out, but more importantly, we are just running out of seats. We're going to be at that 100 capacity pretty soon. So if you are waiting, don't wait. This happened to a lot of people when they were trying to get the GoHighLevel tickets. The tickets literally sold out. We are very close to selling out. So if you are not buying a ticket yet, make sure you do. The links will be all over here. There's one right here on the top page. There's also a QR code that's going to flash in about a minute. Just make sure you get in there. It's Christmas time. You want to give this as a gift. Trust me, no entrepreneur out there completely not appreciate this gift. So please make sure you're making an effort to do so. But I know we've made a lot of updates since our last video here. Just tell us a little bit about what's going on and what we're like, where the status of all this is.
Yeah, absolutely. So, we get a lot of interest, and a lot of people keep messaging us about, okay, you know what, I'm interested in this. I want to come down. I'll buy the ticket after Christmas time. I know Christmas is here, New Year's is here, but I can't guarantee the ticket will exist after Christmas time or New Year's, because people are buying it and they are running out. We do have a limited capacity, and it's not one of those things like, hey, 100, sure. Like, our room can only fit about 100 people. We capped out. This is the limitation. This is a legal limitation on our part, not a FOMO type limitation. So if you are waiting to purchase it, hoping that you'll buy it next year, literally last minute, it's probably going to sell out by then. So I wouldn't take our chance over here. And we've just added a few more speakers. I've been in conversation with them for a while. We added Kayla Love, who is a lovable ambassador. I love her last name. I call her Kayla Lovable. Kayla Love is a lovable ambassador. So what does that mean? Lovable came along as well as sponsoring our event. So that means if you're into vibe coding, you're pretty much going to have free credits, lovable credits all week long. So there's nothing out of pocket for you there, because we have a lovable sponsorship set up, ready to go. We've added Ruhin Jorah as well. She's the CEO and founder of Brandify. So that's an incredible new platform that launched, is having great success in their community. We're going to come along, and she's going to be doing a boot camp on how to build your personal branding, how to structure it, how to use AI, not just the woo-woo stuff we always talk about. Oh, brand yourself. Let's just generate some content, AI stuff, and throw it out there. This is a systematic, strategic way of building your brand. So when you walk away, you're going to walk away tangible assets that you have a vision of what to do with and how to build your brand leaving this event, because our slogan is build, brand, and bank. So you're going to go there and build. We're all going to be building, because, as much as you may resist, I resisted the vibe coding thing I just told you earlier today. I'm like, I'll figure it out later. Let me just jump into it later on.
And then 72 hours later, your life is gone. I literally
took the initiative yesterday when someone says, can you do this? I just said yes without thinking about it. Like, yes, I'll figure it out. If I don't figure it out, I'll have a friend of mine who, someone will do it. I jumped into it. I vibe coded my first application, and I'm addicted now to it. So then I start off my next application. That would be a pretty cool project. The main thing is having a decent idea that is worth fulfilling. But so I'm excited by that part over here. We have 2 or 3 more sponsors about to be announced later this week as well, and another few speakers tied to the sponsorship as well. I've been chatting with them for a while. So things are coming together right now, and it's going to be an awesome event. And the main thing that we talked about is you're going to be building. So that's very important for me. You're going to build, because you need to get your hands dirty. You need to get in it. You cannot learn vibe coding just by watching a video saying, I know it. You got to actually do it. You got to go through the errors. You got to make the mistakes. You got to learn the tricks. And what I'm actually excited more for now as well, because of the vibe coding bug I just hit, is watching the tricks that other people have. Because if you've been doing it for months, I want to see, how can I shortcut my 30 minutes down to 10 minutes of time? Just speed things up. And how do I get better results and get more efficient at it? Because anyone who comes along now, even my mind is blown right now. That product I built for that client, I could have charged them easily $1,000 for 30 minutes of work. Easily.
Probably a lot more than that.
Realistically, if this was just 5 years ago and you got that requirement, hey, I need this Excel sheet, Google, I need to do all these different things, and I want you to put it in, build an application for me. That would have taken someone 3 weeks, probably $5,000 to $10,000. Imagine that I did in 30 minutes and maybe $2 in credits. So my cost is $2. $2 my cost, and I could have charged them $5,000. Realistically, 5 years ago. Now, here as a friend, referral, I'll try to $500 for the time and effort I put into it. Right, done. But now it's opening up a whole new channel for revenue generation. You don't need to build crazy applications for the masses, the SaaS. So your micro SaaS for individual clients, you can build solutions for individual clients now. So our vibe coding team that we have put together, when I say hardcore vibe coders. Like, they don't sleep, they just vibe code. They enjoy it. They're at hackathons. They're at, Kayla is at, I don't know where she's at right now. She's traveling, doing hackathons everywhere she goes.
Well, she's a partner in VC Inc. VC Inc. is our vibe coding community. We're actually at 3,000 members right now. So she's also in our vibe coding Friday. So if you guys love Kayla, she's also going to be there with us, which is going to be pretty exciting. So we're definitely going to bring a pretty dynamic package in there. But you mentioned something, and I kind of want to really go back on this. I mentioned before, and I mentioned it all over my newsletter, I 1000% believe my life started changing when I started attending events, and when I started to see other people that were doing the things that I wanted to do, and me starting to mimic or learn from those individuals. Two big mottos I kind of really took on. The first one was, I want to shortcut my learning. I don't want to learn from the worst. I want to learn for the best. And sometimes if I have to pay premium, I'll pay that premium to shorten my time in either getting one-on-one from that individual or just going to the best possible person ever to learn that particular one thing. And that motto has significantly accelerated my growth to a whole nother level. Yep. Like when I wanted to learn about YouTube, I went to the best YouTube coach. That YouTube coach I kind of surpassed, and I went to the next YouTube coach. When I wanted to learn about vibe coding, I went to one, then I went to another. And I just kept doing it over and over again. It's the same thing with HighLevel. When I didn't learn how to do something in HighLevel and somebody specialized in that one part of HighLevel that I just couldn't figure out, I go to that individual. I'll pay premium just to get that one-on-one time. So imagine that. And then that's the other thing. So that's the first part. The one-on-one and the individual people that are going to be in there, these are the people that I follow and that I go to when I have questions. And then the second part of that is that every place that I go to, everybody comes in and you are painted this beautiful picture of all the things that are possible. The problem is you leave that thing and it's gone, meaning you never get to it, you never build it out, and it becomes the number one problem with a lot of these events. If you go to an event, you went in there and you did all the things that people were telling you to do at the event, I guarantee there will be so much incredible success for any individuals. It's actually become one of my habits that I stay one day later to just take everything that I learned and start implementing it right away in my business when I do go to these conferences. Or I take a day out of my schedule just to go over every single thing that I wanted to go over and cover. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to showcase that. And we're trying to make it where if you show up at the event, you're going to learn a little, do a lot. Learn a little, do a lot. And that's going to be continuously done for 3 straight days. And that's where I think the power of this is going to be very different, and you're not going to want to miss it. This is definitely going to be one people are going to be talking about. And I just, again, want to reiterate, this is not a ploy. There is 100-person capacity. We're about to take capacity, and you're just not going to be able to get tickets. And then it's only going to be until next year that this will be able to be happening. And considering all the things in the movement that's happening in AI, next year might be already too late. So a lot of the stuff that we'll cover here, probably in the next 4 to 6 months, it'll probably be either super more advanced or it'll be already negligent and we're already moving on to the next thing. And a lot of the powerhouses in this community, and especially the people that are going to go, are people that are always up to date with a lot of these things. And this is what you don't want to miss out. So for anything else, as far as something to think about, and again, all the all-inclusive part, I keep forgetting that we are actually staying at a really nice resort. So
what I would add over here is the ticket price includes your 4 days, all inclusive. There's no other cost out of pocket. We've tried to make this event as economical as possible for those who are attending. If you were to go to any other event, you'd have to buy the ticket, then you have to pay for your hotels, then you have to pay for your food. All those things add up. Imagine coming to an event, one cost, all inclusive, you're ready to go. There's nothing beyond that you have to pay. And it's very fair in terms of the pricing model that we put. A lot of people, are reaching out to me and saying, I can't afford not to go to this event. So they're trying to find a way. Some people come to me saying, look, I'm in, I'm putting a deposit down right now. I'm going to pay you the balance just, before the event, but I'm in, I have to come. I want that price. I want to be locked in. People are finding ways of making sure they can come to the event, because realistically, if you're not on the AI wave right now, you're not working in AI and you're thinking about it, you're behind. You're falling behind. There's so many things you can do to optimize your business, improve your business. We're leveraging AI as part of your strategy. This is what people are missing out on. So what we're doing is bringing together all the best doers in the industry. We have people who speak on stage. They will inspire you. They're fantastic speakers. In this case here, I've chosen specifically those who are well known for building in the trenches. They actually have tangible results. So every single workshop that you are doing on any single topic, you're going to actually have an asset, a new tool in your toolkit. So if you're walking out of this event, you can say, like example I gave before is like, you watch The Matrix, and Neo is like, oh, I need to learn Kung Fu. And he just plugs in a little cartridge. I know Kung Fu.
Kung Fu's right there, yeah.
Right here. So it's like, I need to learn vibe coding. Next day, I know vibe coding. I need to learn how to build voice AI agents. You're going to know how to build voice AI agents, and you'll have examples of them. You need to learn how to build your custom AI agents as well. We're going to have workshops on that. So everything we're building is not theoretical. It's hands-on application. So you actually have all these assets ready to go. You can add them to your portfolio. So when you go and pitch another client, say, oh, I can build out video AI. I can build videos for you. Forget it. Don't say the word AI for them. I can build videos for you. No problem. You build that as part of your assets, showcase them. Yeah, I want that. Then you charge them $1,000 for the video, $1,500 for the video, but it takes you an hour to build out because you have the tricks. You know the tools. We'll show you what tools to use, how to shortcut it, and put together a beautiful video within an hour, hour and a half. You sell for $1,500. When else can you leverage that much power for your time? $1,500 for an hour of work, not bad. But you need to know how to do it and you need to have the confidence. So we're bringing together people who will get the confidence. They will get these tools in their toolkit. You walk away learning how to make money with that. And the last part I forgot to mention, we said build, brand, bank. The banking part. So, all the AI developers are all devs. They love, geeking out on it. But the hard part is they don't know how to make money with it. I spoke to someone 2 weeks ago. He's like, I just keep building, but I don't know how to make money with this. I love it. Like, that's great. But you got to learn how to monetize it because you got to pay for your credits. You got to pay for your time. So we're bringing together as well AI sales experts. So let's rephrase it. Not AI sales experts, they're sales experts. They're going to teach you how to position, how to brand your product, how to sell it, pitch it for what it's worth. So everyone's going to learn how to pitch their product, how to sell the product, because if you make an amazing product, but you can't pitch it, no one's going to buy it, right? So that's why we're adding the component of sales. We want everyone to be able to sell their product. The coaches are going to be going table to table. They're going to work with every single individual, whatever product it is. How are you going to sell it? What's your pitch? What's your elevator pitch? How would you handle, oh, it's too expensive. How do you handle this? Just get people on the spot, and it'll be very informal so people can actually enjoy and learn from that experience. But it's going to be very interactive. You're not sitting back passively watching a presentation. You're actively engaging. This is how we need to do these events so people can learn. And the success criteria for me is every single person leaving that event feels confident and has the ability not to sell and make money. And hopefully my goal is they make an ROI within the first 2 weeks. If not, they're going to make an ROI within the first, 60 days for sure. With all the new tools in the toolkit, they just market saying they can do all these things now for them. ROI guaranteed. That's the goal. Make sure that you're making money, return on investment. You don't go to events just for the sake of events. You're going to the event for ROI. That's my promise to you. We're trying to focus on you building and learning how to sell what your services, your skills, so you make that ROI back within a few days, a few weeks.
Yeah, and that's pretty exciting, guys. And on top of it, the networking of this alone, you're going to talk to all the experts and you'll have that connection. So if you come up with a question in the future, you'll know who to go to and you'll have that kind of bridge there. It's a little different when you meet people in person. That relationship starts building. And it's honestly some of my best friends right now, my internet friend. So, and like sometimes my wife feels like, where are you going now? I'm like, well, I'm going to go meet my internet friends. But that's honestly like something to really think about. But again, I just wanted to come on here, remind you what it's all about. And again, no push in the sense of this is not FOMO. This is not any of that crap. This is not bro marketing. We have 100 spots. We're almost at limit. We're going to miss out if people don't book or make a deposit, do whatever you got. Just hold your spot if you are really trying to make it. But no matter what, take action immediately. So then we can reserve, we can get you in. And then more importantly, you're not going to miss out on this event. I'm really looking forward to it. I have a whole gang roll of stuff that I'm dying to show people based on some of the cool stuff that we've been doing and building. Everything from an AI automation tool that helps you onboard to AI agents that are going to write your copy for your emails, the suite of agents that I'm putting it all together. And that's only some of my vibe coding stuff. That's not even talking about the NAA and agents that Mario and I have been goofing around on. And you guys have seen it live. We're building it on Vibe Fridays, and you see me building it throughout the channels. A lot of those assets are going to be readily available for everybody there. Or I could just talk to you about it and like how I built it. And I'm going to share everything that I do and how my whole process and how I shortcut it with AI and doing all that. And that's just me. There's so many other experts. And again, I keep on emphasizing these are the people that I go to. And again, trusted friend, no, for now going on 5 years, Michael Reimer, like we got powerhouses, we got Mario, we got all kinds of things and people coming in there that are just going to completely blow up like every concept that you ever thought of into a whole nother atmosphere. So want to make sure you guys attend, make sure to click the link. The link will also be below. And then more importantly, hopefully we'll see you guys in Cancun in just a few weeks. All right. Well, thank you everybody. As always a pleasure. And we will see everybody in the next one.
Take care, everyone.